Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M55, and today I will show you how we can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen. And let's actually try that again because it did swipe a little bit more. There we go. So that's how it's supposed to look like on the first swipe. And then you can swipe down again, and this will extend the list of toggles in here. Now, one of those is a power saving mode, which is visible for me right over here. So once you see it, you can simply tap on it and it gets enabled. Now, Samsung decided to change their UI to be more useless. So if you actually want to find out what you are enabling right here, you can hold the toggle and this will take you to the battery or power saving mode right here. And when it's turned off, you actually have options to disable some of its features, like for instance, because by default this will all be turned on. So once enabled, always on display will be disabled. Your CPU will be limited to 70%, brightness will be reduced by 10%, and also 5 GHz connectivity will be turned off. So if you don't want some of those, you can toggle them off. And now, one last thing in here is the limit apps and home screen. This is what you could consider right here an ultra power saving mode, and I wouldn't really recommend using it unless you don't really care to use your device in the meantime, and you want to preserve the battery as much as you possibly can without actually turning off your device. So that would be an option right here. But for the typical battery power saving mode, all you need to do is just tap on the toggle and you're good to go. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.